Good morning, you sexy bunch of people. I am in León, Nicaragua, and today, me and Tony are about to slide down that volcano, bro. And look right now, look at this, gorgeous. No cloud in the sky. It has been absolutely gorgeous since come to Nicaragua. It makes a change from El Salvador, what was just cloudy, moody, and it weren't the best. But before this, we're gonna show you a quick little room tour. Nice little single bed, all Tony stuff, a bathroom, shower, sink, all what you need. Drinks down the corner, and this is costing us around £16 per person per night at the moment. And honestly, being here, it's the best so far. We've been traveling for quite a while. It's just constant. And now we're going to be settling down here for an extra few days to enjoy the sun and have days by the pool. But today, 2 big days. Volcano, slide down, England, World Cup. Vamos! He's got his coffee.
He's a happy boy.
He's a happy boy.
Can't figure out the lid though.
But last night, 4 shots of coffee at 5 p.m. So the guy couldn't sleep, of course.
It's a vicious cycle. You now need more coffee to feel normal.
Yeah, exactly. More coffee to feel normal. And Tony's just telling me it's an hour hike to get up there, and it's only 60 seconds to come down. So.
And it's like 30 degrees.
And it's about 30 degrees right now. Gorgeous. And right now, if we're gonna see this, right above our heads, care package plane. They're dropping down the bits, making that money. But now, we just wait to get picked up in due time. In due time? In due time.
Did you say injury time?
I said in due time. Nah, not in due time. And then we're gonna go have some fun.
Hold on, got one thing.
No sniffing. No. Hi, guys. None of that today. All good.
Vamos.
Hola.
Hola.
Daniel?
Creo. Daniel Frost.
Yes, see.
Sí. One second.
Oh, run 4x4. How you feeling? Ooh!
Excited,
Hey,
baby.
you got a bit of golden hour right here. Sun's out there.
Let me take my top off.
You look like a little model.
Yeah.
Shame no one's gave you a big ego yet in this country.
I woke up like this.
Oh.
Easy tiger.
Oh,
Send us postcode next time.
oh, he's got a bad knee, mate.
Oh, I feel bad.
He's got a bad knee.
I feel bad, man.
Tony, billion disabled. What a surprise. But anyways, streets of León. I run out, run down. A rundown building. It's beautiful here.
Yeah.
Lovely.
What's up with the head, right?
Yeah, gracias.
Where you guys from?
London.
Is he coming home?
It's coming home. It's coming home.
I wasn't expecting this.
What was she expecting?
I don't know. A lot of seats like
You guys
this.
play today.
Yes, we do. We want to be back for the 2 o'clock game.
You play, where is it, Croatia?
Croatia today, yes.
Shouldn't be too bad.
Easy win.
Oh, don't know about easy win.
Hey, what? I reckon like 1-0.
I'm gonna go 2-0.
I don't know, man.
Rashford and
Kane.
Harry Kane.
Should we put a 20 on it?
I don't know, man. England could be hit or miss. You never know.
Yeah.
Should we do a score prediction for your fans?
2-1.
Oh, Yeah.
Friction burn is
Yeah,
the
that is
most.
the most common.
I met someone on the hike, and
Yeah.
he had all his arm was grazed up, cut off. It was from the gravel.
Yeah. The gravel, you know, when you go fast, you get off the board, and then you drag your skin on the ground. Yeah.
You ready for some friction burn, baby?
Let's get it, baby.
Memories.
At the first sighting of the volcano, we are going to be climbing up, sliding down, baby. I think it's that nice little 45-degree angle coming down. We're in for a treat, baby. Cerro Negro. The volcano we're going to be climbing. Tony reckons he won't fall off that board. What do you reckon?
What's that?
You reckon you're going to fall off?
No, I got this, bro. I'm gonna full send it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How far is it going to go?
300 mile an hour. It's a long way up, you know.
Oh, look at yeah, you're not going to see them people, but on that right side, up there, you see them climbing. Bit steep, but see all the way down there. It's one for the books, lads. It is one for the books. So, this is the hike that we're doing. It's only about an hour, low to medium. It's going to be a good one, guys. Sun is shining. Tony's being a little teacher pet at the front, getting the board right. So I wanted to flip this straight onto my shoulder, as I'm just used to carrying stuff. You know, at work, bump it straight onto the shoulder. So, you know, but let's get to it, guys. We got told it's a nice little 15-minute flat all the way. Then we get to a certain point. Then we do a lap around the crater, and then hopefully we get to see the volcano lava. See that inside. And yeah, quite interesting to see that. Never seen it before, so vamos. Also, got the three guys taking our boards up. We got no one else. Didn't want to carry with them up there. It's not that heavy, but we just got to show them how it's done. Get out there. Woo. Tell you what, the sun is getting to us already. It's a hot one. It's a hot one. Oh, graffiti. Not good. Look at this vandalism. Can't be doing stuff like this here, man. Leaving marks behind. And again, caught out all this. People, eh? Humans. Why? Why? We're just more than halfway up here, as you see. All the way up there, that is the top. A little, not too bad of a hike. Nice little slow incline up there. I think that is it. As you see, all of that black sand down there is from 99, the last eruption here last week. And this is the second youngest volcano in the world. I think it's formed late 1800s, the guy told us, so quite good. But
so guys,
look at this.
are you ready for continue?
Tony's getting this photo shoot done.
Go.
It's gorgeous, guys. This is. What do you think so far? It's probably like best little thing so far, isn't it? That we've done.
Fucking gnarly, bro.
Ready? Gnarly, bruh.
My hands are busy.
Oh.
Put it away.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. That's it, mate. Fucking stunning. Like a Windows desktop. The mountains.
Is that what?
Windows desktop. So, see right there, that is the top right there. And you can tell right now this is the most easiest part of the hike coming up. Work all the way up there, but the views are sensational. And even before sliding down, recommend to do this, because this is once a lifetime opportunity to slide down an active volcano. So do it, lads. See that is where we started. You can see that nice little blue dot. That's our van. Come all the way. Piece of piss, really. The man Tony.
Let's get lit.
Let's get Lee. I'm ready for action. Probably send it down first, get out of the way, and see my boy Tony fly down. So it's just a waiting game. It is a waiting game. Oh yeah. You a bit nervous now?
Nah, bro.
Nah?
Nah, I'm here. I'm like.
Oh. Let's get it. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit steep. It is a bit
Insane.
It's a bit steep.
Wait, where you came from?
London. England, yeah. Oh, definitely more than a 45-degree angle right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And then you see, guys, can you see the other line?
Woo! It is looking crazy, I can't lie.
Yeah.
Ready? Vamos? Go. Woo! That's better, now I'm gonna hang with it. Go on. Easy, one hand. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my... Woo! Whoa! Woo! Oh my Lord, have mercy. Oh my God. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, we're finishing it off. We're finishing it off. That was... Woo. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that adrenaline is pumping. Oh my days. That was so fun. Woo! Woo! Come on, baby. Done it there. Hopefully there's Tony. Oh, that's not Tony. Oh, there's Tony. He's coming down in the middle. So I've no idea where little T is. But that's the boarding down the volcano. Actually, someone's just walked it down, if you can pick her up on a camera. And someone just fell off their board in the middle. But that's it until try and make it back for the England game. And that's the plan. So let's hope England don't ruin today's day, because it's been a good day. Alright, finished off 4-2 England. Nice easy win. Beat Croatia. Tony's happy as anything, laying in bed, chilling. But that's it. We knew England were going to win. Smashed it. Anyway, day's done. Day's finitoed. Smashing down. Shh. Alright. See you in the next video. Hasta luego!